Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today I'll be working on the beginner layout again. First of all, I would like to say thank you for everybody who has enjoyed this series. I know it's a bit rough in places, but like I said, this is meant to be easy to do for a beginner and nothing intricate. I don't know why that's stuck up, but never mind. But nothing really too intricate and beyond a beginner's skill level. I don't really want to say it like that because everyone's quite different, but I wanted it to be something where anybody can do this. So what am I doing today? Other than getting the electrics done, which I've found out that this power supply does work, it's just a bit awkward. I'll be doing the wiring to the control panel, which I've somewhat finished over here. I just need to put all the wiring in, then glue it all down. I'll be adding a bit more detail over here. I'll be ripping out some of these hedges and replacing them with fencing. Over here I'll be adding using air dry clay. I'll be adding a bit more of a secondary level just to make it a bit less sudden and steep. Using these aquarium stones, which I've got cheap off Amazon. I'll be adding stone features here, there and everywhere, and with the clay adding some mounds and stuff like that, and using some of these cheap wired trees if they come apart. I'll be dotting them a bit more around the layout because I just remembered that I've actually still got these from when I was doing random downs, so I might as well just use them on this layout since they're fairly durable and easy as well. I've also, like I said, I've got fences over here. I've got this mock stone walling which I'm going to put up here just to break up that area. I've got some spare bits, little bits of scenery here and there, so I'm going to put a bus stop here and some benches and stuff like that here. I've also got a water tower, water where you re-water your loco. I'll probably put this probably over here somewhere. And I've got some crossing, I've got some spare bits of wagon bodies and stuff like that, which I'm going to decorate over there. I originally did want to get cows, but I've got sheep instead. The workshop, which was going to be down here, I'm now going to put up here just to make it a bit more decorative up there. With some spare bits of wooden scenics hedges, because I was originally going to use painted teddy bear fluff, but that wouldn't have looked all that nice. I'm going to use this for making my hedges and putting it here, there and everywhere, and also putting some stuff in the fields. I'm quite sure I had some vehicles as well, but I don't remember where I've left them. If I find them, I'll glue them down, so you've got a bit of a variety of scenery. And then after I've done all that, once all the glue's done, I'll be doing all the wiring, and then I'll do a little bit of running. And then I'll get on to the next video after that. But I really should find them vehicles. I can't remember where I left them. Probably over there somewhere. But that's the premise of today's video. And I should probably stop yammering on and get to work with it. Probably start by gluing this thing down. So I'll see you in a bit. Forgot to mention, I've also got some of this, I can't remember who made it, some of this stick-on pathing, which I'm going to add a bit round the roads as well. So nearly forgot that, but I'll stop yammering again and get to the time lapse because I'll be doing that again. So yes, see you in a bit. Right, here we are with all the landscaping and all the other bits sorted out. Just sitting down a bit, and yeah, it's looking not all that bad. May put something over these little cracks. Unfortunately, I didn't press hard enough, but doesn't look too bad. Yeah, the next bit I need to do now is just the wiring, which is basically underneath the layout. I probably won't say that on video. I'll just quickly wire it up and then show you the underneath. But the main components I'll be needing is obviously wire, and also I'll be using these block terminals. I think that's what they're called. But yeah, this allows me to splice two lengths of wire together, pieces, and also means I don't have to solder anything, which is always useful. So yeah, we're gluing these underneath like that, then screwing in all the wires, then hopefully we'll have a working layout. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit, and I'll do a little bit of running. So yeah, see you in a sec. Right, here we are on the finished, well, more or less finished layout. As you can see, I've got some trains ready to run. I forgot to show you the underside. Well, it's basically some wires connecting up to a little connection block, terminal block here, then running into the power. Then one set of wires going from here, from this one to this one here. Then some wires going here over to here. That's pretty much it. And I've also screwed this on, which I can't screw in here because there's a nothing underneath it. But anyway, let's test out the layout. As you can see, it's now finally running under its own power. So I know it's a bit basic looking, but like I said, this is for a beginner. And yeah, it all works. If you want to switch to the other train, you turn the power off first. Quickly switch them. Make sure that the loco doesn't stall. And if you want, you can just making sure the points all set right. Right. Ooh. Yeah, there's always going to be a little bit of fiddling there. The train's actually a bit too long now. Just going to take the brake coats off. So yeah, switch that to that. So now they're both isolated. Have that train going round. Ooh. Doing a little bit of shunting. And it's stalled again. There we go. Yeah, that one's a bit funny, that one. And right, now we'll start bringing this one to a stop. Ooh. Not that quickly. Yeah, just turn them both off for now. And yeah, that's the layout all done. I will remember to do a quick picture of the underside just so you can have a see. But yeah, that's that's pretty much the layout all sorted out for DC. The next video will be for when I convert this to DCC, and also I'll be gluing in all these bits of wiring underneath, because I figured I'd leave that for this video. I'll do it after I've DCC'd it, then I've got all the wires free to sort out. But I have got all the stuff for that, so I'll be getting onto that quite quickly. We have two MT go around a bit more. But yeah, I'm quite happy with it. It does need a bit of a clean, but yeah, and I hope everyone else enjoyed this video. And I do know somebody who'll be quite pleased to see this. Well, hopefully they'll be pleased, because I'm going to give it to a friend of mine. So yeah, I hope to see everyone again next time, and take care now. So, see ya.